So this jetty was constructed starting back in about 1915, and it was really to facilitate shipping activity in this river channel here. You know, it really forces juvenile salmon as well as fresh water and nutrients just out into the Strait of Georgia. From our research, we saw that there were a lot of salmon using this area. So we just constructed this breach of the North Arm jetty here, and it's building off of another project that we just completed down in the main arm of the Fraser. Juvenile salmon, when it comes out of the gravel, it's called an alevin, and it has a little yolk sac that it absorbs. And so after that yolk sac absorbs, then the bottom of their body kind of seals back up. But we're catching little chum that are only about 3.5 centimeters. You can imagine they're really not ready to get pushed out into the open ocean quite yet. This chum hasn't even finished buttoning up yet. Like, it just finished using its yolk sac. They need to use these breaches and stay in the estuary. We think, you know, creating these 3 large breaches in this very, very large structure will facilitate that juvenile salmon access and give them a pretty good chance of you know, finding those breaches and making their way around a little more naturally.